all three types of tree traversal we have seen, and each and every traversal have some systematic traverse, correct? It will follow some order. If it is in order, what is the flow of traversal? What is the direction of traversal, where it will go first?
Yeah, left, data, right,
Yes, if it is in order, left.
data, right,
Exactly, very good. If it is post order, if it is post order,
left,
how it?
right, data,
Left,
Very good.
left, right, date.
Very good. If it is pre order,
Data,
data,
left, right.
left, right.
exactly. Correct.
Date.
So, yeah, for example, we stored elements in a tree structure. So, how I can get all the elements? How I can retrieve all the elements? Okay. For that, we are following one systematic manner that is called three types of tree traversal. I have explained you yesterday, no? For example, if it is infix, in order to execute that code, how I can execute? That is, plus can be root, a can be left, b can be right. So how I have to travel in order to get the exact expression? So how I have to travel to get the exact expression, meaningful expression? Any idea?
Left, date, and right.
Exactly, that is infix. Okay, like that. In what way we stored our data, to retrieve that we have to follow respective tree traversal method. Okay, so any doubts in tree traversal, guys? Any doubts? Everybody clear? Triveni?
Yes.
Triveni, is it clear? Tree traversal? Triveni, you there? Triveni? Umashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, ma? Tree traversal?
Yesterday I was absent, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, health issues.
Suresh? Suresh, is it clear? Tree traversal. Saniraj? Saniraj, little loudly.
Hello.
Ah, yes, it is audible. Did you understand the all three types of tree traversal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no doubt in it, right? Yeah. Shubham, what about you? Shubham Rai?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Ranjan? Ranjan? Ratika? Ratika, any doubt in tree traversal methods? Triveni, Ratika, Ranjan, please ask them to call me. All the classes, same problem. Ratika, yeah, is it clear, ma? Tree traversal. Okay. So hope everybody clear in it. So next we will see. Okay, now I know if I given with tree, so I can construct, I can traverse through the tree and I can find any type of traversal. It can be in order or it can be pre-order or it can be post-order. But now in reverse way also in some time we need. For example, I know what is in order, what is post order. So finally I want to construct the tree. Okay, what is the problem? In exam, you may be given with in order and post order or in order and pre-order. In what way they may give anything. From that you have to find the equivalent tree structure. Understood the problem first, guys? Yes, what is the problem? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll try to do it in Paint. I will show that. So what is the example here? Guys, note it. DGB, right? Let me know. DGB and AHE and then ICF. This is what? In order, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what? In order.
Your skin are not able to see, ma'am.
Okay, I will share that also. Now is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now post order we will write. Post order what? GDB. Post order what? GDB and then HIE FCA, right? Okay. Now what we are going to do, I know what is in order, I know what is post order. I want to construct tree from here. Okay. For example, I am constructing tree. Okay. From in order, from post order, I want to construct tree. Okay. Okay. Can anyone tell in post order, my root, when I could reach my root element? When I could reach the root element?
Last, ma'am.
Exactly. So, in my post order, my root element always will be visited at the
Last.
exactly. So, from this, what I can conclude? From this, what I can conclude? Which is my root node? Which
Yeah,
is my root node? Very good. So, A is my
A.
yes, exactly. A is my root node. So, can we do that? See, I concluded that A is my root node. Correct. So, I didn't do anything. Just from the given traversal, I know in the post order, my root element always will be reached at the last. So, in post order, which one is the last element? A. So, I can clearly tell that A is my root element. Okay. For example, one more simple example I will tell. Okay. For example, this is my root. And these are my different examples. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Just imagine I'm having plus, okay, I'm having star, and I'm having A, I'm having B, here I'm having C. Okay. So can you tell the in order traversal of this tree? In order traversal of this tree?
First left subtree, ma'am.
Just tell me the result. I want the in order traversal. In order traversal means what? LDR, correct? LDR. So on all the place you have to put LDR, correct? LDR. And again LDR. You tell me only first time it will take time. Next time you have to tell without writing this also. So left it will come, left it will come, left it will come. So what it will write? A.
E into B plus C.
Exactly. A into B and then
Yes, ma'am.
E plus C.
plus C. Okay. So here which is root element? Here which is root element?
Into.
Into, correct. Into is root element. Okay. So in infix, left subtree will come left side, right subtree will come right side. Root element will sit in the Root element will sit in which position?
Middle position.
Exactly, middle position. So which is which is root I'm having here? Plus. Correct. So which is left subtree? This is left subtree. Correct. Yes.
Yes.
Which is right? C is right. So
Yes, is right.
if this is plus, my whole left side will become left side and my whole right side tree will come right side. Is it clear, everyone? This logic you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, everyone?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now,
Yes.
okay. Now what you did? You did what is root tree you found? Okay. If A is a root, because this is traversal for same tree. If A is a root, okay. So what and all elements can come in left side? What and all elements can come in right side? What all elements can come in left side? I can check, I can get that from in order traversal. So where is the element A? Here is the element A. So what all elements can be in left side tree? What all the elements can be in left side tree?
BJP.
Exactly. That is in left side tree. What all elements can be? But we don't know again which is left, which is right. But I can clearly tell these three elements will be definitely will be in left side. Correct. So I am just connecting. And what all those elements can be in left side? What are those elements can be in left side? What are those elements can be in left side? Exactly. So that I can very clear that H and then E and then
E,
I
I.
and then C and then F.
Yeah.
Correct. This I can tell clearly. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This step everyone understood? This step? Guys, everyone understood this
Yes,
step?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
from post order, I am finding root element, and from in order, I can check what all the elements can be in left and what all the elements can be in right. That I can find. Correct. So from post order, I made the root element, and okay, finally I found root element. I am checking the same root element in order. So obviously I can tell all these elements can be in left side and all other elements can be in right. That I found from this. Now again, among DGB, which is the root node, how you can find among DGB? So
G.
which is the root node, how we can find? That is, where is D? D is here, G is here, B is here. So DGB I found here. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
which node coming last among GDB? Which node coming last? Which node is coming
ma'am.
last in post order?
B, ma'am. B, ma'am.
So what you could find? What you could find? What you could
Right
find?
element.
Mm-hmm.
D will be the D will
Data.
be in the middle. Ma'am. B will be the right element.
D or B?
B, ma'am.
See, DGB left I can have. Among this DGB, I am checking in post order. D I am checking, it is here, G I am checking, B. So, among these three elements, which I traversed last? B. Correct.
B will, yeah, ma'am. B, ma'am.
B only I traversed last. It means among these elements, which can be root node? Which can be root node?
No, will be D, ma'am.
Why D, Saniraj?
B, ma'am.
B before ball. Everyone agree?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, so from this I could found B is my root node. B is my root node. And again, among GDB, I am finding where is D, where is G, it is here. Where is D, it is here. Where is B, it is here. I found that B is my root node from post order. Correct. Okay. And again, which can be left? So if this is root, all left elements will come left side, all right elements will come right side. whether among DGP B is my root element. Any other element in right side? Any other element in right side?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
what are the elements can be in left? What are the elements can be in left?
D and G.
DG.
Yeah, that is like this itself I will make. That is what I found. B can be root node and G can be left side. Again, I'm checking. Where is D? Here is D. Where is G? Here is G. Among this, which is root node? Which can be root node? Which can be root node?
D.
Huh?
D.
D. Because
G.
ma'am.
D.
D.
D, right? In post order, D,
D. D for doll.
Yeah.
yeah, between G and D, G traversed last. It means D can be root element. Now, again, GD I am checking in order. So, I concluded D is my root node. So, any left elements are there?
No, ma'am.
So, what is the right element?
G.
So, is it clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay. Now we will come to H. Now we'll come to next part. HEICF. Where we will try to find where is H. H E I C F. Correct. See, already A is done and these GDB is also done. So all our data among these elements, which is coming last, which traversed last, which element is traversed last? So among these elements, which element can be my root element? Which element can be my root element?
C, ma'am.
C. Okay. And now I can able to find which can be left and which can be right. I have to tell now. So I have to tell which can be right and which can be left. Okay, can anyone guess? Can anyone guess which can be left, which can be right? Can anyone guess? Among these elements,
HEI will be left.
HEI is left
Very
and
good.
F is
F is
right.
right.
Very good, very good. That is, among these elements, C traversed last, so C can be my root node. Again, what I'm checking, these elements I'm checking here also, that is in order. So here all 4 elements are done. So here I'm checking. C is my root node I found. It means HE, all the left side elements will come left side. That is HEI will come left side and then only one element in right side, F can be right side. Okay. Again, what I have to check, which can become in left and which can become in right, I want to check. Okay. Now also you can guess which can become in left side, which can come in right side. That is among HEI. HEI, which is traversed at the last? Which is traversed at the last?
E.
Ma'am.
Which is traversed, it's not either H or E or I?
E. E.
Exactly. So E can be my root node. So among these elements, E can be my root node. And which can be left, which can be right, I have to check through. I have to check through my in order. So just guess which can be
H and
left.
I.
So I'm
H
checking.
is left.
So E is a root node I found. So H is left, I is right. That's all. That is H is left and then I is right. This is the resultant binary tree for the given traversal. Guys, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, any other doubt? Guys, any other doubt?
No,
You can answer me, guys. Any other doubt?
ma'am.
Okay, can we do one more problem? Can we do one more problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Yeah, someone is, yeah.
Ma'am, can you say how the G came at the right side, ma'am?
Which one, ma?
G, ma'am.
Yeah, G here, right? GDB. See in GDB, correct? You could able to see. I just
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, GDB, which is traversed lot, which is traversed last B, correct?
B.
In post order, always root will be visited at the last only. So I put B as a root element here, correct? And then which can be left, which can be right, I have to choose from in order traversal only, correct? B is root, finally I found, but which can be right, which can be left, I have to find through from my in order, correct? I think here we have made mistake, I think. 1 minute. Okay, where it is DGB, here it is. Okay, here I found B is my root node, and what all the elements can be right side, what are the elements can be left side? No right side elements, only left side elements, that is D and G. So both D and G can be left side, both can be left side, but again which can be root node, I have to check from post order, that is among G and D, which can be root node, since D traversed lot, D can be root node. Again I have to check whether G can be left or right, that where I can get from in order. So D and G you are checking, see D is here, G is here. Okay, now you have chosen D as root node. So G is whether left side or right side to D, right side to D, correct? So I am
Yes,
making
ma'am.
in right side. Is it clear or any other doubt still?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Guys, everyone,
Yes.
shall we proceed with another example?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will understand better. I will proceed with some other example. Okay, just let me know. Just tell me, guys. CBE, post order and in order. Okay, post order and in order. What is post order? First, let me know post order. CB,
CBE.
CBE, and then
HGI.
HGI.
HGI. HGI,
FDA.
FDA. And what about in order? BCA, BC,
A.
A, D. Anyone found? I may wrong. DCA, EDG, right?
EDG.
EDG.
G.
After that, EDG, HFI, correct?
HFI.
HFI.
FI.
Okay. Okay. Now we will start. This is in order. This is post order. Right. Okay. Now what we can find? What we can find? So from in order we can directly select our root node.
A.
So which is our root
Yes,
node
ma'am.
here? Which is our root node
A.
here? A. Correct. Exactly. So A is my root node. A is my root node. Okay. Now I have to choose what can be left and what can be right. Correct. What is that color? Completely changing. So I have to choose what can be left and what can be right. We will see. Okay. So A. I am checking in order. Where is A? So where is A? My A is here. So what are the elements can be in left? What are the elements can be left child? PC can be left child. What are the elements can be in right side? All these
EDG,
elements can be
HFI.
in right side. Very good. Okay, now we found what is left and what is right. So in left side, what are the elements can be? B and then C. Correct.
C.
And in right side, what are the elements can be? E,
EDG.
D,
FI.
G, H,
FI.
F, I. Correct? Is it correct, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first we will finish left side, BC. Again, I am checking BC in post order. I am checking BC in post order. Which is traversed last? Which is traversed
B.
last?
B.
B.
So, obviously, B is my root
Root
node.
element.
Again, BC I am checking in order. I have chosen B as my root node. So, whether C can come in left or right side?
Right
Right.
side.
Exactly. So, right side I have found
C.
yes. C will come right side. That's it. Now, okay. Now what and all done? A, B, C, it's perfectly done. A, C,
Yes,
D is
ma'am.
perfectly done. Here. Okay. Now, what are the elements? E, D, G, H, F, I. So I want to select, I want to find which can be root node from these elements. So I'm checking E, H, G, I, F, D. So which can be root node among these elements?
D.
D.
Exactly. So D can be my root element because in post order D traversed at the last place. Correct. Okay. So since I have chosen my D is my root element, so I am checking what all the elements can be left, what all the elements can be right. So what all the elements can be left, what elements can be left?
E. E is the left
Very
and
good.
right is
Very
the
good.
G, H, F,
So
I.
yeah. So E can be my left and
G.
G.
H.
H.
F.
F. I.
everyone can tell G and then
H.
H, F, I.
GHFI. Correct? Okay. Again,
Yes, ma'am.
among GHFI, I'm just coming. Among GHFI, which
I.
can be root node?
F.
Exactly. So F can be root node. And which can be left and right? That I want to check from my in order.
In order.
Okay.
G, H is the left and I is
Where
the
is my
right.
F? That is GH can be left, I is right. Correct?
Right.
Right.
Yeah. So GH can be left and I can be right.
Right.
That's it. Again, I have to check among GH. Where is GH? It is here. Which is traversed last? G. Correct.
G.
So G can be my root node. Among again GH, I am checking here GH. I have chosen G as my root node and H can be its right subtree or left subtree.
Right
Right.
subtree.
Very good. It can be right subtree. What is the value? H, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the resultant binary tree for the given in order post order. Everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt, guys?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
No, ma'am.
okay. So I will give two questions in your Google Classroom. Okay. One is
Yes, ma'am.
I will give one tree. You have to find